بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله.
Back home to you.
Alright sa inyo mga bay, welcome din sa bagong video no. So karon na itong imonday karon kay reaction time. So ma-react to sa 5 scale ghost videos to hunt for you. Come on man, 4 days. So ang link aning video na ra sa ubos. So before tayo mag-start sa atong video, shout out ko ni Zay. Dili Zay day Hanilin Abubotal. So shout out kanay mo no. Salamat din sa nag-subscribe mga bay. So hapit na ako mag 200. Joke lang. 163 subscribe pa lang mga bay no. Gamay pa kayo. So, para do, let's reaction time dia. Okay.
Screaming ghost.
Oh shit.
Investigator Ross Allison has been heading up a ghost hunting team in the Pacific Northwest called A Ghost for nearly 20 years. After one of their investigations, a female team member believes that she was followed home by an unhappy spirit who attached itself to her. Afterwards, she says that every time she records her voice, unexplained horrific screams and growls appear on her recordings. In this clip, to prove her claim, she records herself in full view of a camera in a room full of people.
Gusto ko yung headset mga bay.
Recording nearly impossible.
Hi, it's me again. Obviously. No one can understand why you have to scream, and neither can I. Why do you follow me everywhere? I know you need my help, but I can't understand you. Please, can you just try to not scream? Can you try to tell me your name? Or what you'd like for us to call you? I have friends with me. They understand things in the spirit world. We all want to try to help. I know you came with me from Rolling Hills, and I told you you would never have to go back there. But now I'm thinking you need to go someplace else. I'm going to turn it off now. Okay, let's see what we've got.
Ako kasabot sa night tabo.
Just as she claims, some terrifying voice seems to appear near the end of the recording, even though nothing could be seen or heard by live witnesses or in the video.
So gi-record to niya yung istorya mga bay sa yung gi-playback.
And once again, it's meanwhile on TikTok.
Oh, TikTok mga hilig mag TikTok.
100 suggestions for TikTok ghost videos every week.
Mga hilig og TikTok dia.
Just gonna include a few of the best, and I'll let you guys decide for yourself. First up, a TikTok shadow person.
Dogs are ready for bed. It's just a peaceful night here. Get ready to go to bed myself. What the is that? What? Oh God! Fuck!
Now, as you know, if you're a regular viewer, I don't comment on whether I think a video is real or not.
Oh shit.
But if this is fake, then this is a pretty nice effect.
The is that? What? Oh God! fuck?
Now, the person who posted this video claims that this incident actually caused them to move from this house.
Okay, so everybody keeps asking about the shadow story, and we no longer live in that house. We were actually going to buy it, and that happened, so we bought another house.
Oh shit! Laya sila itong balaya mga bay kay tungod rato shadow, so palit sila bagong house. Okay.
As far as here, we haven't really had anything. We do have a wooden picture on our wall that keeps falling down, but we don't know what's causing it. We haven't had anything weird happen like the shadow at the other house. So that's the story on the shadow house.
Yeah.
Next up, the restroom stall ghost.
Oh shit!
And then, last but not least,
What's going on, guys? Making a video. It's been a couple days since I made the last one. I'm gonna feel like
Okay.
down. Yo! Hello? Hello? What the is going on? Hello?
Guard siya sa mga kuan bay, mga bay kanang okay dai. Guard siya din ga-video sa mga bay. So, maraton na ka. Oh shit!
so are these real ghost videos caught on TikTok? Or is it just a part of
Si-
the latest TikTok spooky video craze?
Si Goosebumps na mga bay. Goosebumps.
So, I leave it to you to decide. Burn after reading. This next video was recorded by a Jordanian ghost hunter that I've never
Mahmoud
featured before,
Al-
named Mahmoud.
Al
In the clip, he's investigating an
Al
abandoned building
Layla.
that's said to be home to a powerful curse.
so
As
sunog na
Mahmoud explores, he begins to find old crumpled pieces of paper inside the cupboards.
sunog na nga house usa na hotel ba na mga bay.
However, it seems almost as if someone or something is watching him as he explores the house's cabinets.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
And when he checks his footage later,
Kaniya akong ganahan mga bay sa mga YouTuber bitaw. Siya ra isang mga bay yung dala flashlight ra og camera.
he finds that there might have been yet another paper on a higher cabinet shelf that he couldn't reach. And this one almost seems to move on its own.
Ang papel. Ang papel mga bay ang ibutang.
And then, this is where things become truly bizarre. Mahmoud finds a bright red paper inside one cabinet and decides to see what it is.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. شو هذا؟ بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. خلينا نفتح. كثير يصير. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. والله ما بضل. والله ما بضل ولا دقيقة. من دخلت.
As he lays down the paper to examine it, the very floor beneath him seems to burst into flame. He makes a quick run for it. Later, when Mahmoud examines the strange paper that he found inside the house, he finds a series of strange symbols in an odd, indecipherable language. So did Mahmoud find an actual curse scribbled on pieces of paper spread throughout the house? Or is it just an elaborate hoax? You decide. You can check out Mahmoud's full video and his other ghost exploration.
Shit. Sunog ra kalit mga bay murag na power ang ghost no. Okay.
It's over on his YouTube channel. A little pat on the back. The German ghost hunting group Andapava PE caught one of the most bizarre videos of a supposed apparition that I've ever seen. Andapava is investigating in Eberstadt, Germany. A couple who lives there says that they've heard and seen very strange things, including the terrifying disembodied head
Shit.
of a little boy peeking out
nakurat.
from inside their bathtub.
Nakuratan ko a little bit.
Catch strange electromagnetic readings inside the bathtub where the little boy had appeared. But creepiest of all, as the group walks into a hallway, their static camera catches this.
Können Sie uns sagen, warum Sie hier unten sind oder warum ihr hier unten seid? Können Sie uns sagen, warum Sie hier unten sind oder warum ihr hier unten seid?
Kamot sa bata mga bay.
Pale little hand that looks like that of a child seems to reach up and touch one of the investigators on the back. The Andapava team says that they only noticed the incident after watching their footage back. Since there is only a brick wall next to them in this video, there was nowhere that this small hand could have reached out from. And if you think it might be the investigator, Chris, reaching around to touch his own back, it should be noted that the angle of his arm would be absolutely bizarre. And also, Chris is a pretty big guy and has fairly large hands. You can follow the ghost hunting group's investigations over on their channel, Andapava PE. The Cell. This next clip was filmed at a mental institution in a southwestern city in the Netherlands. Now, I can't even remotely pronounce the Dutch name of the city. So
Dili cell po na cell cell.
It was filmed at one of the institution's holding cells for patients under psychiatric observation. By the way, the institution was also a former prison, and this room was originally used as a solitary confinement holding cell.
Okay.
So obviously, the room has a dark history. One night, guards monitoring the empty cell security camera noticed something very strange.
Jezus. Nou, maak het uit. Ja, echt.
Zelf zijn.
Nou, nu gebeurt er daar. Zie je zo niet. Oh ja, net als in die films. Oh, hij ging er echt naar binnen. Ja.
The light seemed to flicker and fade, and then something dark and ominous crosses the camera. It doesn't look like a bug. It doesn't look like dust or a spider web. But just what is it? You
I don't
decide.
Ja.
Thanks for watching. If you see a video anywhere that you think would be perfect
Atay. Nahunt ko ato, nahunt. So, maro to sa video mga bay. I hope na enjoy ninyo. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para notice mo sa akong mga panibagong video. So, okay, paano? Nami GC ron, Ipulog Vlogger. So, shout out kanila. Ang link nila mga bay nara sa ubos. Silang tanan. Mag-upload sila ang video na i-link na mo mga vlogger. So, bye-bye! Next time ulit.